Hi everyone, the topic of the day is dry socket. This is the most common complication which is seen during healing of the extraction socket. Basically, the cause can be traumatic extraction by the clinician या फिर ऐसी कोई activity by the patient जिसके वजह से जो आपका blood clot है वो extraction socket से dislodge हो जाए. For example, spitting by the patient, smoking by the patient या फिर use of straws by the patient. The clinical presentation which is seen during dry socket is the severity of the pain. On the second or third day of the extraction, उसे feel होगा. Also, एक foul smell उसे feel होगा from the extraction socket due to the accumulation of the food particles. Now, अगर मैं prevention की बात करूं तो सबसे best prevention है avoidance of the traumatic extraction. Also, patient point of view से ऐसी कोई activity ना करें जिसके वजह से जो blood clot है वो dislodge हो जाए. And अगर मैं treatment की बात करूं तो basically different kinds of dressings जैसे कि iodoform dressing और zinc oxide eugenol dressings जो हैं वो on a daily basis होनी चाहिए along with medications to avoid pain.